Hello my dear friends, today I will show you how to play and win the Wild West Gold game for 1xbet. Okay, look, this is my official Telegram channel, my official links, cheat 1xbet, cheat 1xbet group. Yes, okay. This is the official, you can see the date and time today, actual date and time today. Okay, now go to the Google and go to the 1xbet website. Okay guys, you can see the official website 1xbet, official link, my balance. You can see the all games 1xbet. Okay, now choose the Wild West Gold game. Yes, and look how I play. Okay, place a bet. Okay, now I will show you how I play without my hack. Okay guys, I'm lost right away. Okay, now it's very important, you need to enable the extension. Look here, Wild West Gold game. Okay, refresh page, and now I will show you how my hack works. Okay, place a bet. Okay, look here. Yes guys, my hack works. Look here, you can see the cells. Now you can see the cells and take the right next step. Yes guys, it worked perfect. Look here. Okay, take winnings. Yes guys, I won. Okay, now I'll make the last bet and withdraw my winnings to my Visa card. Yes guys, so it's worked perfectly. Okay, take winnings. Yes, I won again. Yes. Okay, now I withdraw my money, my winnings to my Visa card. Okay, Visa, look at my balance. Yes. Okay, now I need to enter my personal information of my card, my card number. Okay, confirm. Okay, look here, status under review. Okay, wait a moment guys. Now you can see the official website 1xbet. Yes, these are different methods of withdrawing winnings. Okay, look here, status approved. Yes, my balance and tactile date and time today. Okay, follow the link in my Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you friends.